Hi everyone. You are watching the MyBrain Learning channel. Our topic in today's episode is about the continuation of the trigonometric ratios. To be discussed today are solving worded problems using the sine formula for right triangles. In our first example, find the height of the post if the rope is 80 meters in length, tied on the rope peg having an angle of 60 degrees. First draw the diagram as stated in the worded problem. As shown in the diagram, the unknown to be computed is the height of the pole. Thus, sine theta is equal to the height of a pole over 80 meters, which is the length of the rope tied on the rope peg. To find the height of the pole, multiply the both sides of the sine theta equation by 80. Thus, the equation for the height is now h is equal to 80 times sine 60 degrees. Therefore, using the scientific calculator, the computed height of the pole is equal to 69.28 meters. In our second example, find the length of the brace support so that it has an angle of 30 degrees from the leg of the scaffolding. The foot of the brace support is 2 meters away from the base of the scaffolding. For this example, the equation is sine 30 degrees is equal to 2 meters divided by L, which is the length of the brace support of the scaffolding. To find the length of the brace support of the scaffolding, multiply the both sides of the sine equation by L, then divide both sides by sine 30 degrees. Thus, the equation will now be the length L is equal to 2 meters divided by sine 30 degrees. Using the scientific calculator, the length of the brace support of the scaffolding is equal to 4. In our third example, find the needed angle of the stair from the flooring if it has a length of 12.5 feet while the height of the ground floor ceiling is 9 feet. In the stair shown in the drawing, the height of the ceiling 9 feet from the floor. From the base of the stair to the ceiling, the length is 12.5 feet. Thus, the equation will be sine theta is equal to 9 feet over 12.5 feet. The equation for the angle is now theta is equal to the inverse of sine times the quantity of 9 feet 12.5 feet. Using the scientific calculator, the computed angle is 46.05 degrees. For our last example, a tower antenna is to be installed on top of the roof deck with a height of 20 feet. Find the height of the tower antenna if the approximate distance of the line sight from the point in the ground to the top of the tower antenna is 100 feet and has an angle of 60 degrees with respect to the surface of the ground. As shown in the drawing, the top of the tower antenna has an angle of 60 degrees formed by the line of sight and the ground surface. Thus, the equation will be sine 60 degrees is equal to height h plus 20 feet all over 100 feet. To get the equation of the unknown height of the tower antenna, multiply both sides of the equation by 100 feet, then subtract 20 feet from both sides of the equation. Furthermore, the equation will be equal to height h is equal to 100 times sine 60 degrees minus 20. Therefore, the height of the tower antenna is equal to 66.6 feet. In the next episode of the trigonometric ratios, next to be discussed is about the sample worded problems using cosines. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you will like this video. Click the notification bell so that you will not miss the new videos to watch. Please like, share and subscribe to MyBrain Learning channel.